Hey drummers, in this video I have a quick warm-up exercise to show you that not only is going to help you with coordination, but speed as well. Before we get started, click the link below and then download your PDF of the sheet music to this exercise. Alright, so the pattern is 8 strokes long. It's going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, kick, kick. Alright, and that sounds like this. Okay, great. So once you're comfortable with this, the next step is to move those hands around the drum set. We're going to go clockwise, starting on the snare, going around to our floor tom, and then we're going to go back, starting on our floor tom, around to our snare. All right, so the first part goes snare, rack, floor, 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 kick, kick, just like this. And the second part, starting on our floor tom, right, left, right, left, right, left, kick, kick. All right, now the key to this in the beginning is not speed. The objective is coordination. You can start off using a little bit of your arms to get to the drums, but ultimately we want to eliminate using arms for that downstroke. We want to use our fingers and wrist and get that finger motion happening, so that way that will ultimately help us with our speed, not using our arms. So start off slow, there is no correct tempo, and let's try it out. Okay, great, and like I said, there is no correct tempo. Where you're at is where you're at, and that is fine. Just make sure that you're playing comfortably before you move on to play at a faster tempo. So let's try it a little bit quicker. Okay, so if you start your daily practice session off with 5 minutes of doing this, you'll notice in just a week that you'll have some massive increase in control and speed as well. Let's hear what it sounds like at a faster tempo. Okay, great. So finally, once you're comfortable with that, and once again, it doesn't matter what tempo you're at, as long as you can play it solid for a couple minutes, is let's add that left foot on the hi-hats playing quarter notes. So let's try it slower and see what that sounds like. A little bit faster. Okay, great. So not only will adding the hi-hats in there help keep time, but it adds a little bit of texture in there and makes it not as boring. So guys, remember to download that PDF of the sheet music below. I hope this helped. I'll see you later.